Hello friends, we have seen online tutorials on English grammar. We have seen the other day, you remember, we are dealing with the smallest word in English, the one letter word, and that is earth. Isn't it? We saw the meaning is one. Meaning is one. And it is used with the count nouns. Used with count nouns. Now count, you can take numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, I told you, see, this is 1, and this is 2. Understand that? I have 2 more pens, I will show you. That is 3, 4. So pen is a count noun. 1, 2, 3, count noun. You have ball. Suppose you have got 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is count noun. It's clear yesterday you did this. And now we can see, as I told you, it's used with count nouns. And it is used with the, can never be used with the non-count nouns. Like ice, snow, air, water, fire. See, fire is, you cannot count fire now. Now look at this. You have again the same thing. You have the examples: boy, girl, then man, woman, man and woman. For the time being, you will say girl, dusk, toy, ball, bag, yes, cake. Cake, you like cakes, yes. Right? And then you can use with this a boy, a girl, a desk, a toy, a ball, a bag, a cake. So what does that mean? What's the meaning? One. A boy, one girl, one ball, etc. Suppose you have got more than one. If it is one, you will say it is a singular noun. Singular. So these are singular nouns. Singular. Singular. Single means one. Single. So double, two. Single means one. So singular means only one. Suppose you have more than one. What will you call that? Many. Many. So you have got to say more than one is there. You have suppose boy. More than one, how will you say? You can say two. Two boy. Or 3 boy. Or 4 boy. Or 5 boy. Or 6 boy. So when you have got more than one, what will you do? This is singular. At the end of that singular, you add an S. So it becomes more than one. Or you call it plural. Plural. See that? So count nouns, you have singular and plural. Only count nouns, not non-count nouns. Non-count nouns you cannot have plural. Like example, you say golds. See, you are writing, say non-count nouns. Non-count. You have jam, milk, water, then butter, oil, silver, iron, gold, etc. If you say jams, you cannot say jams because it's non-count. Only count nouns you can have plural. Plurals only for count nouns. Understand? Is that clear? So if you write jams or milks, waters, butters, oils, silvers, irons, gold. All gone. Wrong, 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 wrong. Why? You cannot count them. So no plurals. Right? But count nouns, plural. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boys, girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Dusk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Toys. Toys. This is toy, this is another toy. Yes. Then you have ball, bag and cake. So what have I to do? To make a singular noun plural? Add s. Then you will get a 2 boys. See that? Like this. Girl plus else, girls. Plural. Dusk, dusks. Toy, toys. Ball, balls. Bag, bags. Cake, cakes. Suppose you write a boy, a girl, a desk, a toys, a boards, a bags, a cakes. How do you read it? 1. Again you say this is 1. This is 1. Can you say this is 1 pen, pence, pens, can you say? 1 pence or a pence? You cannot say, because not 1 but 4. Like that. So, another point to remember is, what is that? The meaning is 1, so we cannot use a with plural nouns. And therefore, wrong. Wrong. So, count nouns, plural. Plural count nouns. With plural count nouns, you can never use a. So that's the point. With plural count nouns, no a. No a. Yesterday we saw another point. What is that? With non-count nouns, 1, 2. With non-count nouns, no a. No a. 2 places you cannot use a. One is with non-count noun. You cannot say a ice, because you cannot count it. Another is with plural nouns you cannot say. How to make plural? Add an s to a singular. For example, you have curtains. You have got cups, bags. You have cameras, clocks, bulbs. See? Trees, flowers. Then glasses. You have knives. You have stars. Seas. S-E-A-S. Sea, star. Moons. And then what else you have got in the room? Cots. Chairs. Benches. Tables. Yes. That's all. Simple. You want to make anything plural, make it S. It has to be count noun. There has to be count noun. Non-count nouns, no plural. So 2 things now you learn. 3 things you can say. 1, a means 1. 2, a is used with the singular count nouns only. Okay. So here we are saying no, and then here is yes. What is this yes? A use with singular count nouns. Singular count nouns only. Okay. So, this is wrong because it's plural. This is wrong because that is non-count. And non-counts are non-plural. Clear? Is it clear to you? Are you following me? We are now talking about the smallest word in English. The smallest word in English is a. A means one. Now we saw another point, two other points. One is count nouns and non-count nouns. Another is singular nouns and plural nouns. So you can use singular means one, plural means more than one. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 millions. Coin, coins. Fan, fans. Bulb, bulbs. So, we cannot use a with plural nouns. We cannot, because a means one. We cannot use a with non-count nouns because they cannot be counted. Then what is the use of saying one? You cannot count it. Then there's no point in saying one. I hope you have followed me. You are enjoying these grammar classes, useful to you. So bye. Have a nice